Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Anshul Divakar, your Faculty of Anesthesia, and I am very happy and proud today to share this screen with this amazing student of ours, Dr. Shruti, who has scored a rank of 307 in NEET PG 2025. She is somebody who has done her MBBS from Madras Medical College and then came with us at DAMS Bangalore and did 1 year of regular course. And the best part about her journey is that last year at this stage, she was at a rank of 45,000 in NEET PG 2024. And 1 year of intense hard work has led her to come to directly in the top 300, which is like a dream come true sort of achievement.
Yes, sir. So
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good, sir. My family was very happy, and I actually couldn't believe that I scored a rank so well at first. And but it was the mark which I had approximated only, and I just want to share my journey. It was not one which was like it wasn't a very pleasant one. There were many ups and downs, but in the end, since my rank is good, it doesn't make it's all for the good. So I used to go to classes every weekend at DAMS in Bangalore. It's like a 2 hour. It's like 2 hours from my house, and I used to revise all of the classes during the weekdays. And I think the main thing is like every year all the toppers say the only thing is revision. Revision is the main thing. Like I think I've revised my notes like 4 or 5 times with the postponement and all. I had to revise it even more. I had many personal struggles as well. It was not easy to push. It was like mentally also it is very draining. But I want everyone to know that if you have belief in yourself and uh, if you put aside all of your mental distractions, I think it will be easy for you to get a desired rank. And nothing comes easy. Yeah, that's true. And we just have to keep revising the notes. And I think DAMS was a very helpful part in my. It built a strong foundation for me. Um, like Anastasia sir made it very easy, and I think OG, especially Deepthi ma'am, was very. Deepthi ma'am's notes and classes are very effective. I used to hate OG questions, like they were pretty tough, but after Deepthi ma'am, I think it was much easier. Everything, all of the subjects, pharmacology, anatomy, I think DAMS faculty made it a lot more easier. So if anyone is planning on taking DAMS,
Wonderful,
it's
wonderful.
a good idea. Yes, sir. And all in
So
all,
that is such a beautiful point that you have put that it's a long duration of preparation, right? This entire year, along with the postponements and everything.
yes, sir, definitely.
So
Like
so how did you maintain your tempo? Like what is the strategy that you followed? So you had to travel 2 hours one side. So apart
yes,
from 10, 11 hours of class, you had to travel for 4 hours. Then how did you manage the classes and the content? How did you approach your classes?
I think I think we have to be a bit strong mentally. My family proved to be very helpful in that, and it is difficult at times. Like coming back late at night, it is very hard. But I just had the thought that if I just do it for 1 year, like if I'm going to do it once, I have to do it properly. I can't keep on trying again and again. So I just gave it a one go, like one last push, and I pushed myself through. Yes. Um,
That is so good. So tell us about, see, there are so many things that we are doing at DAMS, right? We have this regular class, we have T&D, we have DVT, LRR. So how did you manage with the content, and what according to you helped you the most during your entire preparation, and what was the X factor in the things that you did?
I think overall, the back to basics notes, the class notes was the basic foundation for everything. Like if you just start off with DVT and LRR, it is like going blindly down a road. Like you have to have a strong basics first before you go to DVT or LRR. So I think the first thing is that you have to be thorough in your back to basics notes. I was a bit thorough in that, and after that I used LRR. LRR, when I couldn't study for long hours, I thought I would just see the LRR. And by the time the LRR was over, I think the DVT came, and DVT was like even more concise version. So in the end, I used much of DVT. DVT was very helpful. And in the end, I used the DVTs and the PYTs of the short courses in the app, all the PYTs and the PYQs. And
Yeah,
the
wonderful.
receipts
So,
were very helpful.
you do believe that the ultimate foundation is your the text that we do in classes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, come again.
Yes, sir. Yes. Um, the ultimate thing is the back to basics only. The notes, the class notes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That is so. Yeah, that is so. Acha, and tell me, how did you deal unexpected that happens? And now, unexpectation is the expectation of this exam every year. So, how you dealt with this postponement, and what planned, what you planned during this postponement phase?
Like when I first heard the news of the postponement, I was like, I got really like upset, like stressed. Like, how can I study even for like in the last 2 weeks? I was planning to give it my all, but then when they told it's postponed, I couldn't bring myself to maintain the same momentum. So at that time, I think. I I just laid off a little bit, but then I remembered that this time is very important. Even though it's like 2 months extra, it is like more time to revise again and to be stronger in those weak areas. So I and I was thinking of all the competition. I know that there's like a huge competition, and in the 2 months, everyone can come forward. So that competition was one thing which uh, pushed me through. Like if I get too relaxed, I was thinking that the competition would increase even more.
That is great. That is good. So you kept yourself motivated, and that was something that came from inside. That is something very good to know. That you had your eyes on the target, and you just did not want to lose it, which is something that is very important when you have such long duration of preparation that ranges from almost 8 to 10, sometimes even 12 months. That is so
Yes,
good.
sir.
Tell us, how did you plan your preparation for MCQs? Did you do anything specific? Any other strategy that you use? How did you approach the MCQ part for this exam?
After completion of each subject, I used to do the question banks of that particular subject. And doing that Q bank made me realize add some more points. Like there are many new points from the questions. Like after every subject, after I learned a particular subject, I used to do the questions of the question bank. And During the like near the exams, I shifted from the question bank to the PYQs because I wanted to get an idea of how the questions will actually be asked. Because sometimes in the Q banks, the questions are a bit trickier, I guess. But in the PYQs, they're more of the important types. And so towards the exam, I use more of the PYQs. And I made sure to do questions every day. Mostly like a part of my time for the towards the end of the day when I don't have much mood to study, I used to do the questions, sir.
Wonderful. So basically, every single strategy that we discuss in the class, you have kind of imbibed that in your preparation. And it is very obvious that you were very structured and you were very disciplined in the way you approached everything, everything that we provide, and everything that you do with what we provide. So that was something very, very good. So now, what plans? What are you going to opt?
I had actually planned to take dermatology if I had scored well, and if I didn't score well, I thought of taking OG. So I'm still thinking, sir. I'm not sure what I'll take. I actually wanted to take anesthesia also last year, but I think my mind changed a bit.
But Dharma and OBG both are good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know. With such rank, you can't take anesthesia. But yes, both Dharma and OBG, they are really great branches. So all the very best to you. Tell me one last thing, that if at all you have to go back in time and change something regarding your preparation, something that you regret today, even after getting such a good rank, that, oh, if I would have gotten a chance, I would have changed this aspect of my preparation. What would that be?
That would be maybe to have joined in DAMS in second year itself, and maybe crack NEET on my first attempt rather than spending a year. I would have joined DAMS earlier. That's me. Instead of waste 1 year.
Wonderful, wonderful. That is again, yeah, that is again something so unique, right? Something, yeah, not exactly wastage. Like you did it in 1 year. People sometimes takes more than 1 year. You did it in 1 year of preparation. You should remember that. So yes, if you would have started in second year, maybe things would have been done an internship. But yeah, Shruti, you are a really brilliant student, and you're so calm, composed. You are so relaxed even with this interview. I can just imagine how you used to prepare and sit in the classes and just imbibe everything that is around you. And I wish you all the very, very best. You're going to do great with this level of calmness that you have in you. And yeah, so be in touch and all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you to DAMS faculty, everyone. Thank you.